The major challenge that Liz helped me overcome was my total inexperience with the area of real estate. She guided me step by step through it. She took me by the hand and guided me in getting the mortgage approval, getting the people that needed to review the house, the assessor, etc. She guided me step by step.
And one of the things that I admire of her is the patience that she has with us. This is really, for us, it was so important to find the right place. She did it. And for me, it's a tremendous quality, the patience that she has with us. I'm so impressed with her professionalism and the way that she took us, like my husband say, with her hands, and she helped us in all this process. And today we are so happy that we signed. Finally we signed, and we are at owners on a beautiful apartment thanks to Liz.